this Roller Castillo, and I'm gonna be playing food cooking. That's what it's called, and it's really easy. It's kind of addicting and all, but yeah. I've already gotten this far. I've been playing it a while and all, but yeah, it's still good. I've been leveling up still. I got a slice now. Well, that's really new for me. I've been trying to level up. I don't know what I increased to, but yeah. This one used to be a Mech Man. It was really slow until I made it into a better baked, and now it looks really fast now. But yeah, I'm trying to make this one into a higher level. It used to be a peach, so now I've just been like pressing that one a lot. The pizza, I don't know what it is yet, actually. I don't know what the melon one does. I've never seen it yet. I just got it and all, but when I get at least 15 floors, I will get to get new material for my little box right now that holds all my stuff. It's really, you can like, oh look at that, I gotta have pizza. Oh, I see what it's doing, okay. It's really fun actually. I started playing I think earlier today? Yeah, earlier today. Wasn't that bad, no, but yeah, it's pretty fun. Then there's a giant pizza that all the food goes into. It's pretty cool actually. And it just eats all the food, even the pizza. It eats everything. If I want to double how fast it goes, I have to watch a video. I don't want to watch a video. So I'm just gonna, oh man. I'm just gonna increase that. So then I'm gonna try to get farther and farther down. I just like that little pizza, it's adorable. All of the food is supposed to look cute on this, like the little pizza half, the better baked, fruity fruit, slice of life, fruit drinks, and the melon factory. They're all cute, but they're okay. But I still like them, they're really fun. I like this game because, like, you have to do such a, like, it's actually like you're working in a factory. Right now I just have cardboard. It's not that good, but it's okay. So yeah. Well, yeah, I love it. Well, that's gonna do it for now. Bye.